So, for the past 3 years, I kept postponing my dream of starting my own clothing brand, thinking maybe later, maybe when the time is right. But finally, in 2025, I took the leap and
Hit that bass line nice and slow.
and at the age of 27, when people have stable job or planning to get married, I took a risk and I started my own clothing brand.
Rolling down the boulevard, feeling at ease.
So, for the last few years, I was preparing for competitive exams. I had no fashion degree, I had no knowledge of business, but deep inside, I always knew that I wanted to do something in fashion. I always wanted to have my own clothing brand. My love for clothes, my love for fashion, my love for putting the clothes together and styling it always was there in the back of my mind that I always wanted to do something in this. And I was not ready to take a risk, but that gut feeling of starting this, doing this, never went away. And sometimes I think you don't choose things, but the things choose you. And when they do, it is your responsibility to make it work. And so this year, I started my own clothing brand without a fashion degree, without any knowledge at the age of 27. And a lot of people doubted, a lot of people said, "You can't do this." My family doubted me, but I followed my gut feeling and I started my own clothing brand. And today, I want to share my whole journey, how it all started, what did I do for the people like me who really want to do something big in their life or who want to build something of their own. So, let me introduce my clothing brand. So, hi, my name is Nancy, and I am building my own clothing brand, which is called Be Free Clothing. And Be Free Clothing was born out of a simple idea that style should feel like you. And I believe that clothes are more than just outfits, it's your confidence, it's your comfort zone, it's your voice when you walk into a room. So, I wanted to build a brand that offers timeless pieces that would help you to dress for yourself without pressure, without rules. And one thing I was clear about that I want to design clothes for every version of you because I'm someone who loves to dress up. I experiment with my looks. I want to slay every look. So I wanted to create pieces that would go with every look of yours, whether you are in a meeting, whether you are at office, whether you are sipping chai on vacation, or you just are crying in your home late at night. I wanted to create every look possible from casual to modern to your office looks. I wanted to cover everything up. So, Be Free Clothing want to be there to style you in every look you want to carry. And trust me when I say this, it was not easy at all for me in the beginning because I don't have a fashion degree, I don't have a fashion background. So, I made a lot of mistakes. I did not know how to choose the right fabric. I did not know the different sizing. I wasted money. I made mistakes. I chose the wrong fabrics. But slowly, things started to work out in my favor. And one thing that I realized that no matter what you want to do, no matter what business you want to build, if you pay attention or if you start focusing in the details, things will start working out for you. And with every mistake you will learn something new, and slowly you will understand things one step at a time. You will grow, you will build, and after a while when you see your progress, you will be so proud of yourself. So if you are also someone who wants to start their own clothing brand, or you want to do something else but waiting for the right moment to come, or waiting for your fears to go away, then let me tell you one thing: there is no right moment, there is no right time, and the fears will not go away, the doubts will be there with you forever. You just have to take one step and the rest will start working out for you. So at 27, I took a risk and I started my own clothing brand, and I feel so proud that I'm finally building something that I always dreamt of. And it's been only 2 months since I launched my first collection, and I only launched two collections till now. But I would love to share my journey, my whole process, whatever I did, how I started on here for the people like me who really want to build a clothing brand or to build a community that really aligns with me or with my goals or my vision towards my business. So if you also want to be a part of this journey, stay tuned and wait for the next video. Bye bye.
Red freckles through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light.